So you guys want to see the swing goes from Hola? Now let's check it out.
Toys for you.
Buddy, dance together.
Woo! So we removed some of the screws for the body and now let's see if it opens. We have to pull very gently and apparently coming out. There you go. Here we have an L from left. I'm moving his wing like this, and inside it's kind of like this. Cool, interesting. Okay, now let's see what's with the body. Turning it on. Oh, here guys, you have the engine, the electric motor actually, and here we have the battery pack. Here is the on-off switch. Here we have a nice speaker, and you can see there in the back the levers for moving wing and right leg, and here going up we have levers for the head. Now, what do you say if we go and explore some more? He says yes.
Buddy, dance together.
Oh, and now I have to remove these screws. Looks like we are ready to open and reveal its secrets. There you go. This is what's inside a duck's head. How cool is this? I love it. And now I am very nervous. Wish me luck. I hope I will not break it. Wow. Okay guys, we did this. Now let's put it back together. So we managed to see what's inside and we managed to put it back. Now let's see if it works.
Hey, baby, let's dance.
What? Looks like I haven't put it correctly. Now let's see what's wrong. Will he leave? Let's see if now he can move. Hey, and he moves. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like it. Press the like button and see you in the next one.
Now, as I was saying...